scared.
You should be. We've leveled the heck up this year. We are both in costume. You obviously are Mario. I am Rod Kimball.
Hot Rod.
Because it is Halloween. If you tuned in last year, we did Cursed Foods last year. You guys seemed to really enjoy it, so we're bringing it back again. Last time it was spooky because everything was expired. This time it's spooky because this is messed up, okay? Let's get into it.
Okay, I'm ready and I'm scared.
It just feels like such a menace right now. Great. Okay, so we're gonna start tame. You can open your eyes, it's covered.
Oh, okay.
This is a little bit of a treat amongst the tricks. Are you ready for the first cursed food?
Yes and no. Yes.
It's strawberry pizza.
Interesting.
Pizza, good.
Yeah.
Strawberries, good. So like together, they can't be the worst.
No, and we've had strawberries in a salad with cheese. So
basically the same. One thing I want to say too is where I found the inspiration for all of these foods was like on basically the deep dark web. Like it wasn't, but I was also like, where the heck am I on Google right now? Because it was disgusting, disturbing, and wrong.
Should I put a strawberry at the end where I'm eating?
Mm-hmm.
The pizza's delicious.
The pizza is good. The strawberry is overpowering the pizza, which is sad. I would rather eat a piece of pizza and a little bowl of strawberries one at a time, kind of Remy style.
Right. It together is weird.
7.
Yeah, I'm gonna say 7 as well. Just because it's not scary in that, like, we like strawberries, we like pizza. They don't completely go together, but it didn't make us, like, hurl.
It definitely didn't do that. All right. Open your eyes. This one's not that bad either.
Okay, I'm feeling very skeptical when I see you now. I'm like, who are you?
I'm Rod. Okay, ready?
You ready?
Reveal!
Wow, what is that?
I want you to try that and tell me if you know what it is.
Okay.
I don't know if you've ever ingested something like
Gosh,
this.
what is that? Like, it's all edible, right?
Yeah, it's not
Okay.
gasoline. It'll be warm because it wasn't in the fridge.
What is that?
Let me try.
Is it apple juice and some sort of pop?
Good guess. This is a blind taste test of this one drink, which is really interesting actually to see someone who's never drank one of these try to interpret the flavor.
Oh, it's
It's a Red Bull.
That's a Red Bull.
That's what a Red Bull tastes
Never
like.
had Red Bull.
I know
ever.
you haven't.
I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls later.
Okay, so basically what this is dipping Oreos in Red Bull.
Oh, gross.
And this is like mustiest gaming room snack. Like that's how this feels to me. This is spooky on like a new level.
Yeah, this is like we're at a LAN party and we're like, it's
This is like
3 a.m.
Kate and Eli at a LAN party when they were 15. They're like, let's dip the Oreo in the Red Bull. They think they're really onto something, so let's try it. You gotta really like submerge it so it soaks it up.
Okay.
Ew, ew.
Oh my! It made it so soggy.
It's kind of good. Look at it. It like acidics the Oreo. That's a Halloween miracle.
That is. It kind of is a neat flavor, actually.
Fruitiness of the Red Bull mixed with the sweetness of the Oreo actually married together quite nicely.
Yeah.
I spoke too soon about these. I will say this is in no way good for you. Like, this is bad. This is the most.
Oh no!
I'm kind of scared of this.
How could you?
I warned you that we were leveling up this year. We're stepping things up. And if it makes you feel any better, this is like a vintage recipe.
Oh gosh.
So people put this in a cookbook of some sort.
Oh my gosh, really? That makes me feel a little bit better about it.
So there.
Oh no! Oh, that's disgusting.
down. When you were wondering why I was making hollandaise sauce this morning, that was why.
Oh.
So it's banana, ham, and hollandaise sauce.
As disgusting as this combination appears, your presentation is out of the park.
Thanks.
Yeah,
It was easy to make it look like this. Well, and it won't help that the hollandaise is like ice cold. I made it like 3 hours ago. Why does this exist? There's so many combinations of food that is better than this.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Okay, ready?
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Whoa. I'm like controlling my gag reflex right now. That's so gross. That's gnarly bad. There is something messed up about that combination.
The way it took 3 good things and made them disgusting together.
Oh.
We're gonna take a little treat after that trick. Okay? Stop trying to smell them before. Hey, did you have your eyes open?
I
I
thought you had the cover.
You saw.
I just
Mom,
I saw
it's a piece of bread.
Okay.
But there's something interesting about this bread.
Oh no.
I'm gonna let you try and figure out what it is. By the way, I felt like an absolute menace making this in the bread machine last night. I thought it might break my bread machine.
Oh gosh.
This is so wrong. Will this make my thing explode? This looks so much like I'm carrying a container of pee, but I want to add a little bit of green food coloring because I just want it to be that much worse. It's a Halloween special. It's looking not bad.
It smells good.
Yeah, right? It smells really good.
Okay. There's nothing in it.
Why wasn't it green? You saw how much food coloring I put in. Where did it go? Did the Mountain Dew eat it up? Is that possible?
Oh gosh, what is in there?
I'm wondering if you'll be able to figure it out.
It smells like fresh homemade bread. Wait a minute. There's something a little off about it for sure.
It tastes like not edible. Like it tastes kind of like poison.
Stop. And it's nice and soft, like it's nice bread. What on earth is in this?
I substituted water for something else.
Oh.
Pee. The fact that you thought I would do that to you?
I was really worried.
You thought I literally subbed out water for pee.
No, I didn't think that. I'm like, you better not have.
But like that's with God as my witness, I'll never give you urine to drink. Or baked into anything.
Okay, we have a pact.
No feeding each other urine. Not even once. Anyway though, I subbed out the water for Mountain Dew. The actual cursed one is Baja Blast bread. But I was like, I'm gonna do Mountain Dew bread. Not
This
bad.
isn't bad at all.
No, I'm gonna eat this bread.
I'll
I'll
just-
make a grilled cheese with it.
Mm-hmm.
At least it's not pee, right? Okay guys, we have to hope that this comes out of here. Okay.
I'm smelling something.
Excuse me. Oh! Okay.
Nothing's alive in it really though.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh gosh, are you throwing things at me?
Can you just scooch over a bit? Open your eyes.
Oh
It's made a bit of a mess. Only one worked.
Oh gosh.
The other ones are still edible and will be good, but there's only one that worked. Ready?
Ready. Oh hey, a little roll of spaghetti.
It's a donut spaghetti.
Oh, fun.
To be honest, I don't know how they made this. Like, the one in the photo I was referencing is way better than the one that I made. Like, it was actually like they were holding it up. Like, I couldn't hold this one up.
Oh.
Like, I'm wondering, did they put it in and then put gelatin on it?
So you made spaghetti, put it in the donut pan, and then just set it there thinking it might pop out as a donut?
I squished it in like with,
like
I like pushed
like
it.
sandcastle making.
Yeah. I'm busy. Can't you see I'm busy? I'm doing important work right now, Stuart. Can you leave me alone? We're just eating
Mia,
spaghetti on a video.
Are
now.
you sure?
Spaghetti cooked in pea.
Okay.
I mean, this is literally just a spaghetti taste test.
Mmm. It's good. I do wonder how they did that though, to make the donuts stay together. I wonder if they added like cornstarch or something to it. You know, did you read the recipe or did you just do it?
Do you think these are any recipes? These are just messed up photos.
Oh, I see. Weird. How did that stay like that? That was a really good try.
Thanks. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh my, you almost saw me.
No, I was not looking.
I turned around and your eyes were open. What's up with you? Trying to catch a sneak peek at the meal.
Look at the delectable meal.
I'm pretty excited.
Oh gosh, that smells horrid.
Pickle. Nothing like a pickle in the morning. It like feels like a fish. Ew. You guys know what's gonna happen next, okay? Don't pretend like you don't know what's about to take place here on this day. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think it's gonna fit pretty good. Not this. Anything but this. There's a freaking Mars bar in there.
Oh, it's a pickle.
That's all.
I'm good with a pickle.
It's just a pickle.
Oh, it smells weird though.
Do you want to take a bite out of it?
I do.
Here.
What's in it? Oh. Oh.
I gotta do it too, so you're not the only one.
Oh, gross. What is that?
I thought that would be better. I fear that wasn't very good. It's a Mars bar.
That has no business being in there. I would eat that now, not being so scared. I was scared.
How many people were scared?
I couldn't taste the chocolate because in amongst the pickle, it masked it so much and the texture just got me and I was really just scared. Like I was scared of what it might be.
And I peed on it.
Stop! Stop! You need to stop.
Pea pickle with Mars bar inside. So that's what we have here.
Is that a chocolate block? Mia, what's that?
It's a trick.
Mm-hmm.
You can make anything curse if you just pee on it.
Stop. I want to do curse food back at you.
Next year.
No, next week.